Want to show you my nighttime skincare routine. Cleanser number 1, applying on the skin, adding water and massaging for a minute. 1 minute. Make sure you have to massage cleanser into your skin for a minute, and after 1 minute I'm gonna wash it off. And I wash it off, and then I'm going to the second cleanser, which is lightly exfoliating cleanser, Ginamber Beauty AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. Very gentle, natural, organic cleanser. It has alpha hydroxy acid, salicylic acid, which means it's great for tightening your skin, tightening your pores, preventing acne, healing acne if you have it. Massage it for 1 minute as well. When you wash your face, guys, don't forget your neck as well. And now second cleanser is being washed off as well. And so what I do, I don't dry my skin just like that, wet. I'm taking hyaluronic acid serum, Ginamber Beauty, which is my brand. You want to apply hyaluronic acid serum only on the wet skin. You either spray with some rose water hydrating spray or something like that. Apply hyaluronic acid serum, gentle tap, 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 tap. The more watery your skin is before applying hyaluronic acid serum, the better. You can now wait 1 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes until it's gonna soak in a little bit more, and then start applying hydrating, moisturizing products. So my favorite at night to use vitamin C, 10% vitamin C plus Squalane hydrating repairing cream from Ginamber Beauty. This is my brand, created myself, formulas, organic, natural, 97% natural and 66% organic. Beautiful ingredients picked myself. Hydrating, moisturizing, brightening, antioxidant cream, which is so amazing, guys. Check out my website, ginamber.com. And I'm applying super gentle. I'm not pushing, I'm just sliding with my fingers and go under eyes or right here. Kind of looks messy, but next day my skin gonna be bomb. Promise to you. All right, and then wherever is left, sliding down on my neck. And that's my nighttime skincare routine, going down there till the boobs. And that's it, guys. Have a good night.